We're at the pool for an evening swim, Avondale Pool. July 21st, 2012. That's good, that's good. I can see you really good. Daddy's been working all day and he just joined us at the pool, and I'm dripping wet filming this. And now he's spinning them like helicopters. It's landed. Nice throw, Meme. Ryland's turn. Spin it, Rye. Arms out. Spin it. Woo! It was not extreme enough for you?
Okay, ready?
Turbo. Hi, Rye. Handsome swimmer. Hi, Rye. Okay, Landon's turn again. Come on, Land. Arms out. Arms out. Come on, arms out, Land.
What is he doing? Turbo!
Nice one.
Turbo!
Nice. That was super fast. On Daddy's head. Turbo, extreme. Whoa, a bee just went by. All right, Rye, last one on camera. Smile. Our daddy's the strongest.
Daddy, do the same speed for the final Grenade.
Go, Land, swim. Fun pool times with my beautiful boys.